Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Logitech Instant Fix step by step clearly. First, ensure your Logitech device is fully charged or has fresh batteries installed. Plug the Logitech USB receiver into an available USB port on your computer. Wait for your operating system to recognize the USB receiver. If you're using a wireless Logitech mouse or keyboard, turn it on using the power switch located on the device. For keyboards, press the Connect button, which is usually located at the bottom. For mice, press the Connect button, typically found on the underside of the device. Observe the LED indicator on your Logitech device. If it lights up, your device is powered on and ready to pair. Open the Bluetooth settings on your computer or device if using Bluetooth-enabled Logitech products. In the Bluetooth settings, click on Add Device or Pair New Device. Select your Logitech device from the list of discoverable devices. Follow any on-screen prompts to complete the pairing process. Once paired, move your mouse or type on your keyboard to test the connection. If your device isn't working, try unplugging and replugging the USB receiver. Restart your computer to ensure all drivers load correctly. If issues persist, download and install the Logitech Options software from their website for more features and troubleshooting. Check that your device is compatible with your operating system. If needed, refer to the user manual for specific connection instructions related to your device model. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.